Baserow versus NocoDB. Choosing the right no-code database can transform how you manage data without complex coding. Both offer powerful solutions. Baserow focuses on simplicity and collaboration, while NocoDB emphasizes compatibility and automation. Baserow and NocoDB are popular no-code databases designed to empower users without programming skills. The core difference lies in their approach. Baserow prioritizes an easy-to-use collaborative spreadsheet-like interface, whereas NocoDB focuses on turning existing databases into smart, no-code platforms. Baserow is an open-source no-code database that offers a spreadsheet-style interface, making it intuitive for users familiar with tools like Airtable. It works by allowing users to create and customize databases visually, adding tables, fields, and views without writing code. Baserow excels at collaboration, enabling teams to work simultaneously with role-based permissions and real-time updates. Its strengths include ease of use, strong community support, and flexibility with self-hosting options for privacy-conscious users. However, Baserow has limitations in advanced automation and integrations, which may require external tools for complex workflows. Ideal users are small to medium teams or individuals who want a simple collaborative database without the overhead of traditional database management or complex setups. For those who prefer a clean, user-friendly interface and open-source freedom, Baserow is a solid choice. NocoDB transforms your existing SQL databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Microsoft SQL Server into no-code platforms with a spreadsheet interface. It connects directly to your databases, allowing you to manage and visualize data without migrating it. NocoDB's strength lies in its compatibility with popular databases and its powerful automation and API capabilities, enabling users to build workflows, triggers, and integrations easily. It also supports role-based access and collaboration, but leans more towards users comfortable with database concepts. Limitations include a steeper learning curve compared to Baserow and less emphasis on a fully visual drag-and-drop experience. NocoDB is ideal for businesses or developers who want to leverage existing databases and add no-code capabilities without rebuilding their data infrastructure. If you need deep integration with SQL databases and advanced automation, NocoDB provides a robust, scalable solution. Comparing Baserow and NocoDB highlights different strengths for different needs. Baserow shines for teams seeking a straightforward, spreadsheet-like experience with easy collaboration and open-source flexibility. It's perfect for projects starting fresh or those valuing simplicity and community-driven development. NocoDB, on the other hand, is better suited for users with existing SQL databases who want to add no-code management and automation without migrating data. It offers stronger integration and workflow automation, but requires more technical familiarity. For example, a startup building a new app might prefer Baserow for quick setup, while an enterprise with complex databases would benefit from NocoDB's compatibility and scalability. Both tools offer collaboration and role management, but your choice depends on whether ease of use or database integration is the priority. Choose Baserow if you want an easy-to-use, open-source, no-code database with strong collaboration features and minimal setup for small to medium teams. Opt for NocoDB if you need to manage existing SQL databases with powerful automation and integration capabilities. Its robust platform suits users who require scalability and advanced workflows. Both tools excel in no-code database management, so pick the one that fits your data strategy